The story of Holika is deeply connected to the Hindu festival of Holi, which celebrates the victory of good over evil. It originates from the Bhagavata Purana and revolves around Prahlad, Hiranyakashipu, and Holika. The legend of Holika Dahan won Hiranyakashipu's arrogance. Hiranyakashipu was a powerful demon king who had obtained a boon from Lord Brahma that made him nearly invincible. His boon stated that he could not be killed by a human or an animal inside or outside, during the day or night, on land, water, or in the air. With any weapon with this protection, he grew arrogant and declared himself to be a god, demanding that everyone worship him instead of Lord Vishnu. 2. Prahlad's devotion. Despite being Hiranyakashipu's own son, Prahlad became a devoted follower of Lord Vishnu. He refused to worship his father, which enraged the king. Hiranyakashipu tried multiple times to kill Prahlad, but each time Vishnu saved him. 3. Holika's trick. Hiranyakashipu's sister, Holika, had a magical boon. She could not be burned by fire. She devised a cruel plan. She would sit in a fire with Prahlad on her lap, hoping to burn him alive, while she remained unharmed. However, Holika's boon only worked when she entered the fire alone. As she sat in the flames with Prahlad, the divine protection of Lord Vishnu shielded the boy, while Holika was consumed by the fire and perished. The death of Hiranyakashipu later. Lord Vishnu appeared in the form of Narasimha, a half-man, half-lion, and killed Hiranyakashipu at twilight, neither day nor night, on the threshold, neither indoors nor outdoors, with his claws, neither weapon nor tool, while holding him on his lap, neither land, water, nor air. This fulfilled the prophecy and ended Hiranyakashipu's reign of terror. Holika Dahan and the festival of Holi. To commemorate the burning of Holika and the victory of good over evil, Holika Dahan, bonfire night, is celebrated on the night before Holi. People gather to light bonfires, symbolizing the destruction of evil forces, and perform rituals around the fire. The next day, Holi, the festival of colors, is celebrated with joy, marking the triumph of righteousness and the arrival of spring. This legend teaches us that arrogance and evil will always be defeated, while devotion and faith in the divine will always prevail.